Welcome to Peak Solution Tech Talk, where complex tech becomes clear in minutes. Today, we'll explore how to access ASAM ODS data using Python. First, let's connect to an ODS server and explore the data interactively using Peak Test Data Workplace. ASAM ODS is an open data standard for the long-term storage of test and measurement data. The strength is the combined storage of descriptive and measurement data. The descriptive data or metadata is used to organize your measurements for visualization or data queries. Once individual measurements are found, they can be displayed in many different ways. Next, we will show you how to do this programmatically using Python. To do so, we created the open-source ASAM ODS box, a thin wrapper over the ASAM ODS HTTP API that hides the complexity and makes data access easier. In our data management learning path, you will find many examples using the ASAM ODS box and dealing with ASAM ODS data. Let's pick an example like the interactive workflow and do it programmatically. First, you connect to an ASAM ODS server. You can then query data in an intuitive JSON style. Once you've found the measurement you're looking for, you can retrieve the channel data as pandas data frames, and of course, plot the data. For more examples, visit the Data Management Learning Path, your step-by-step guide to ASAM ODS data analysis using Python. And stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore how to query data using the open-source ASAM ODS box.